Hey guys, welcome back to the 30-hour review. It's been a minute. So about 3 months ago, tefuawe sent me this. It is their lens holder. Ooh, that's right. You can pull that out and you can use your glove with gloves on and still be able to whip the lens out. I worked for a good while at it in a shop where I was doing a lot of multi-process stuff. I could be TIG welding aluminum, stick welding, MIG welding, didn't matter. I could be doing a lot of stuff. Mostly I was TIG welding. But either way, it helped having different lenses for the certain applications I was doing. Not just that, I really like passive lenses. So being able to carry a few of those and a backup lens made it really convenient to have a little go-to spot stash to have everything at. Without having to worry about anything getting scratched too. I've had that in my toolbox for 3 months and none of my passives have been scratched at all, and everything's been contained in one little neat spot. Yeah guys, they're only $27. It's not an actual carbon fiber. If you are curious, it's just a sticker, but it looks good. It's pretty rugged too. I mean, it's held up for 3 months now. But other than that, guys, I mean, head on over to tefuawe.com, use my coupon code 30-hour review, and hit that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment for the next 30-hour review.